This is a Middleloop class.
Hi, I'm Jerry with Middleloop. This is part 7 in our Waypoint series. Today we show how to delete a Waypoint mission on the DJI Fly app. First, a quick thank you to everyone who has supported our channel by purchasing drones and drone-related products through the link you'll find in the description. We appreciate it, and it makes it possible for us to produce these videos. Now, let's get started. If you're a frequent visitor to our channel, you probably know that Waypoints is one of our favorite features of the Mavic 3 line of drones. So much so that we've produced an entire series on the topic. A link to this series just popped up above, and we'll provide it again at the end. No series on Waypoints would be complete without showing how to delete a Waypoint mission. Since the missions are stored on the controller, you don't even have to have the drone connected to delete it. Today's video was produced on the RC Pro, but we've also tested using the DJI Fly app on an iPhone. To delete a mission, open the Fly app. In the lower right, tap Connection Guide. Then in the upper right, tap Camera View. Now, of course, you can also do this with the drone connected. Either way, simply tap the Waypoint icon on the left side of the screen to open the Waypoint interface. From here, tap this icon to open the library. You may notice that the screen says History at the top. For whatever reason, DJI uses both Library and History interchangeably. To delete a saved mission, simply tap and drag to the left on the mission you wish to delete. Tap the Delete icon, and when prompted, confirm that you wish to delete the Waypoint flight. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please tap the like icon, and don't forget to check out the complete series on Waypoints. Thank you, have a great day, and happy flying.